Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to add a new store location in Shopify. First, visit shopify.com, then click on Login, fill in your email address and password. And click on Login. Now that you're inside your Shopify account, go to Settings from this corner and look for Locations. Click on it. And from this Locations page, as you can see on my plan, I can use up to 10 active locations. And this is my default one. And let's say that my store opened in a new location. To add this new location to Shopify, just click on this Add Location button. Here, click on Name. As you can see, you can give this location a short, identifiable name. If this location offers local pickup, this name will be visible to your customers at checkout and in notifications. In my case, it is a warehouse with this name, Pacific Ship and Store. And let's add the address of this location. This is it. Shopify suggests you these correct addresses powered by Google, but if your address is not foundable here, you can fill it manually yourself. Click on Save, and as you can see, Shopify detects that the zip code I've entered is not correct, and it suggests this correct one. I will go with this, use this suggestion. And now, as you can see, this is the name of my new location, and this is the address. And for fulfillment, I can enable or disable the use of inventory at this location to fulfill online orders. In my case, I can fulfill from this location, so I will keep it enabled. Now click on, don't forget to hit this save button to not lose these changes. As you can see, location added. And now let's return to the locations page. And now I have multiple or 2 active locations. To set your default location, you can select it from here. Let's say the default one is this new one. I can select it from here and hit save. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. You can also edit your location priority in order to choose which locations are assigned new orders first. Let's click on View or Edit Location Priority. And now I will make this newly added location the top priority. As you can see, locations at the top of this list are assigned orders first, and if one location can't fulfill the whole order, it will get split and assigned to multiple locations. Click on Save. Location priority saved. And this is how to add a new store location in your Shopify account. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.